Are you stupid?
No, I was just communicating with the angels.
Which angels? You want to spoil the house for me? You know you're sounding like Motorola car, eh?
And I cannot spoil your house now if your foundation is not well.
It's true. If my foundation is not good, how am I supposed to burn you? Abi, if as you are snoring now, if the house now collaboration, where are we going to be living?
And then God has provided us for us name everybody 2-bedroom flat.
God provide us for us.
Yes.
And you don't tell me since.
I didn't know. I was just trying out to tell you.
How many bedroom is my own?
Your own is maybe like 2-bedroom.
Go and check it. God may have changed it. You know we are in 2019. So you are going to do what for me now? You know what you are going to do? You are going to go and check my own house for me. Maybe it's 2-bedroom flat.
And you are 2.
Heaven.